All right, this video we're going to talk about your slider, your banner, your main banner image. This particular theme comes with 3 options, well 4, but 4 basically means you don't even have a slider, so not sure how that's an option. But anyways, we have 4 ways we can work with this banner image right here. And what we'll see is a main large image. We'll see some arrows, basically some controls to change the image to the next image in section. And then basically our message, whatever you want to display in there, whatever important message that goes with this, with this picture. All right, so let's go to the back end. Excuse me. We're going to find Options panel, and then Slider Manager. All right, so it's a lot of options, a lot of cool things that this person has actually set up with this slider. So first, what we want to do is they're going to have times for, and if the banner auto rotates, how long do you want it to be set for? 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds. Okay. Responsive slider, that's for mobile and smartphone. Excuse me, smartphone and tablet viewing. So, do you want the images in the banner to kind of compress up and adjust depending on what application they're viewing on? Next is the slider type, and I'm actually going to show you right now. We have jQuery slider. That's this one that you see right here. That's this setup. Okay, so if I come in here and I change this to, let's see, staged, then I save it. I now have a completely different type of slider. We have a smaller picture, and then we have your text and stuff right here. And you can actually enter a lot more text if that's what, the angle you're going for. But you also will notice that we don't have any kind of way of changing this banner image now, do we? So if you wanted to do something like that, if you scroll down, you'll see bullet controls. So if I put that to a yes, oh yeah, it's not auto playing. Make sure I set that to yes. That way, it changes every 5 seconds, like I mentioned before. Save. Now what I'll get is basically controls. There we are, 1, 2, and 3. We have 3 banners, and that way I can kind of change in the animation to see different pictures. So you can come in here and choose what setup you want, whether that is the slider I just showed you, the jQuery. I actually like the jQuery one the best. And then these other things are self-explanatory. Preloading, do you want it to load the images and preload before it loads everything else up? I think it's the best thing is yes. Bullets, no bullets, that kind of a thing. Next is actually adding an image and editing an image. So right now I have 3 generic ones for you. Let's go ahead and add one in that you've given me. So to do that, I'll just click Add Image. Get a nice little dialog box here. And all I'm going to do is go to the folder that you uploaded a few images and see if we can find one that's gonna fit here. So select Files, the Pinwheel of Death. I love it. All right, so Dropbox. Let's see, where are you? Miami Beach Mike. Let's see what we got for sizing is extremely important. So we need something that's landscape. This is portrait, so that's not really going to work out all that great. Let's see, nice landscape view. What do we got here? All tall. That one's not bad. A little dark. Let's see. Where's the one that wasn't that bad? These are a little large too. I would reduce these in size if I was you. 19, by 25, it's a bit large, and the more large images you load, the harder it is on your server and your website. All right, so let's go ahead and choose this one. It's going to load it up for us. It's going to go ahead and resize it so it fits in there proportionately. And then what I want to do is, once I've done that, is click Insert into Post. See this? And there we are. There's our picture. I can now edit this thing by clicking the little pencil. So I give it a title. Here is a title. Here. Then down here you can put a bunch of, text, your message, your description, whatever you need to tell people that's associated with that particular image. Down here is if it's linking somewhere, and then you just follow that information. Alright, so that's set. I'm going to go ahead and save it. And if I refresh, I should have the new settings along with the updated picture. Number 4, so that's good. I'll click that. And this is the picture you've given me. There it is with the text. Here's the bullets, if you want those or not. I took those off for the long slide. So you can actually hit no. Save. So let's see. Refresh. And no more bullets. And another thing that's really cool with this is it's drag and drop. So I can just do this, save it, and now my ordering of images is updated. So now this one's number 1. That's it for the banner. Really easy, really self-explanatory.